Yo, yo, what up, everybody? I'm gonna see how PCE came out. Okay, so durable goods and personal spending came out negative, while PCE came out slightly higher. SPY's moving with my prediction. I told you guys we'd see some excitement pre-market. We would come back down, retest 612, and then push back up. That's exactly what we're seeing here. More gaps, more unsustainable movements. SPY. So at this point, SPY will most likely start to pull back. You're Oscar the Grouch now? Why? You got a small bag of money? Good job, bro. Hey, it is like a part-time job, huh? Multiple income streams, though. Good, thank God. Did you press the like? I'll be streaming more probably next month. I'll probably start streaming like 7 to 8 hours again like I used to. It just gets hard sometimes with doing a video and doing a 7 or 8 hour live stream and trying to work on everything else at the same time. Bro, I literally had somebody make a whole Twitter page just because I bought a necklace. It's so funny, bruh. I bought a necklace and they made a whole Twitter page. They said, look what your super chats bought. But see, the haters don't understand is I make people rich. What the haters don't understand is I make people rich. You understand? This is why people send me super chats, because we're making thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars in the Discord. Someone actually joined the Discord this week. I'm going to put out a play. I'll probably put out a play next week for you, brother. That way you can start making that money back. This is one of the many reasons I'm so generous to DataZero. Bro makes $5,000 in one day. Okay? Do you understand? So stop hating on me and start getting the money. Start getting the money. If you stop hating and start paying attention, you'll get bread. What you mad at me for? Folk. Hey, oh, you know what it is down there grinding that grizz? Ask your QQ's dead until SPY pulls back. Or NASDAQ, I should say, anyways. My account goes lower and lower. But I still am not selling anything. Yesterday, when I see that dude make that Twitter page about me, that's when I knew. That's when I realized I'm famous. I am famous, dog. I am clouded, bruh. $28 calls, middle of August. I would do like $24 calls. You always want to do closest to in the money as possible. You always want to do closest to the current price as possible. Your boy, yo, DataZero's famous, guys, and I'm clouded. Imagine being so up, okay? Imagine being so up that some random person that you don't even know knows exactly who you are, and they watch every single one of your moves, but you have no idea who they are. I'm up. I'm up. Imagine being so up, people will pay to talk shit to you. Brothers and sisters, I made it. I fucking made it. Looked at my account, realized that I made it. Looked at my account and realized that I made it. That moment when you realize you made it. Okay, Spy is tracking. Spy is tracking. Spy's gonna start pulling back, cuz. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. I got a little something for us, baby. What a beautiful day today. What a beautiful day today. What a beautiful day today. Yo, I really gotta stop spending $1,000 at Wawa every month, bro. I'm out of control. Kai Supreme in the building, one of our top chatters. And, bro, he might have... Are you my first subscriber, Kai Supreme? Who is my first subscriber? I want to give you $1,000. I don't know. I don't know about all that. I'm getting a little crazy, but I want to give you something, man. Recognition at the very least. Who is my first subscriber? I want to recognize you. Yo, check it out. Spider-Man, the trilogy coming back to theaters. Here's what we know now. So the original Spider-Man trilogy is coming back to theaters, guys. On September 27th, Spider-Man 3. On September 26th, Spider-Man. And then followed that, Spider-Man 2.1, they're calling it. And then on September 27th will be Spider-Man 3. September 28th will be the encore, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah, Spider-Man coming back to theaters. AMC News, baby. Like and subscribe for more stock and crypto news. Okay, Spy. Yo, it's funny how as soon as I get online, Spy starts pulling back. Isn't that kind of crazy? Admit it, guys. As soon as I get online, isn't it kind of crazy? SPY starts pulling back. Also, my prediction is tracking. Happy Friday, everybody. Hey, who's at work listening right now? I have more energy than the common man. I have more energy than the average man. Yeah. 5, 15, 15. That's going to be it. 6, 15, 15. 6, 15, 07. Never mind. 6, 15, 07 is support for SPY. If SPY loses that, it's going to pull back even further. Funny how it's following my prediction. It came down, found support, and pushed up. Dude, I'm so good at this shit, bro. Dude, I can literally tell you what's going to happen a day before it happens. What? Hold on! I thought it was Anubis Gaming! Is that Anubis? Anubis, is that you, brother? Epic's Games PC. Bro, do you play Fortnite? Epic Games? What is happening? Gifted Friday. Lilo and Stitch 2? I thought that was already coming out. One brand new member, bro. Thank you, Ephraim, for the super chat. Nah, but he changed his name, bro. I swear that's Anubis, bro. I swear that's Anubis, bro. I swear that's Anubis Gaming, bro. Bro, I play Fortnite too. I'm a top 3% player in the whole world. I'm already ranked Diamond. I'm going for Unreal. I'm already ranked Diamond, but I'm going for Unreal. So here's my ranked. What? My reload. Oh, reload restarted. That means I gotta go through ranked reload again. Alright, so here's my rank right now. Diamond 1. I'm going for Unreal, cuz. And look at my KD, bro. 3.32%. Top 3.9% players of the world with a 9% win ratio. Insane. Over 7,700 kills. 7,700 confirmed KIAs, baby. When it comes to Fortnite, I'm kind of him. Hey, did you guys know I was famous? Yeah. Hey, Amy, you better stay above 302. What are you doing, bud? They're trying to get GameStop towards Max Payne. GameStop's trying to hold, though. What a super chat! There's always next week. That is one thing about trading. There's always another.
Got wrecked on SPY 611 puts. Hoping SPY drop next week.
Yeah, the 611 was only good for that day. The 611 was good for that day and that minute. Anybody holding that, no. Yeah, you could have played the 611, 612 here. I think I said 612. and sold it out down here, but that was it. Yeah, you don't want to hold shorts right now. That's a big mistake. I did call out 614 yesterday in yesterday's video. I think I said 614, 615 we would hit in yesterday's video.
And 75% of the revenue for pharmaceutical companies. We spend in our country $1,126.
Danny Lamb, thank you for this. Or Daniel Woods, I'm so sorry. Daniel Woods.
They spend about 200.
Why did everybody change their name?
1/5 of what we do.
Is that Danny Lamb or Daniel Woods? I'm so confused, bro. Everybody changed their name. I don't know who's who.
Drug companies, Europeans, if you ask them, it made no sense what they were saying. America has to pay for this innovation or it's not going to happen. President Trump is saying to our European partners, is you got to raise the amount that you're paying for those drugs and pay for your share of the innovation. Oh, that the United States is no longer.
Why is his voice like that? That's the only thing I was just wondering about.
Europeans raise the price of their drugs by just 20%. That is $10 trillion.
You guys can tell he's so passionate about what he's saying. Dude, I wish this guy was the president, bro.
People all across the globe.
I wish JFK was the president, bro. He's actually truly cares. You can tell that he's truly passionate and cares. Donald Trump is sitting here like, man, this guy really believes this shit.
That's what happened in my lifetime.
Donald Trump is on the sideline like, man, this guy really believes this shit. And he's like a newbie, bro. He's been in the game, but he's like a newbie. He's like still blissfully ignorant, right? And Trump's like, man, this guy really believes we care about the public. Trump, you can tell by Trump's face, he's looking at him like, this guy's passionately speaking, and he's serious, and he actually cares about what he's doing. And you could tell by, this guy looks like a freaking younger Jerome Powell. What the hell is going on? This guy looks like a Jerome Powell clone, but younger. You can tell Trump's like, man, this guy really believes this shit
of our nation. And it's only happening because we have a president with the fortitude, the guts to stand up to the withering criticism. And
should be fun. I don't know. You'll maybe find reasons why it's not, but I can't imagine.
Bro, that guy looks like Jerome Powell, bro.
Great things happening. It's been a very strong week and a very strong weekend. Before we begin, let me say a few words
you can
about
tell
the
JFK is super passionate about what he's saying, and then you could just like Trump is like, man, this guy really
Saturday, my
believes this
administration helped broker a full
He really thinks we care about the
immediate
public.
ceasefire. I think
All
a
I care
permanent
about is
one
making more money.
between India and Pakistan, ending a dangerous conflict of two nations with lots of nuclear weapons. And they were going at it hot and heavy, and it was seemingly not going to stop. And I'm very proud to let you know that the leadership but unwavering in both cases.
Stop.
They really were, from the standpoint of having the strength and the wisdom and fortitude to fully know and to understand the gravity of the situation. And we helped a lot. And we helped also with trade. I said, come on, we're going to do a lot of trade with you guys.
Broadcasting, recordings on live channels.
If you stop it, we're doing trade. If you don't stop it, we're not going to do any trade. People have never really used trade the way I used it. That I can tell you. And all of a sudden they said, I think we're going to stop. And they have. And they did it for a lot of reasons, but trade is a big one. We're going to do a lot of trade with Pakistan. We're going to do a lot of trade with India. We're negotiating with India right now. We're going to be soon negotiating with Pakistan.
Not be the world police anymore?
And we stopped the nuclear conflict. I think it could have been.
Oh, shoot, I gotta pay my car insurance. Shit. Spy is tracking perfectly, guys. Spy is tracking perfectly. Spy's gonna start pulling back now. Spy is gonna start pulling back now. I'm so glad I left this prediction up from yesterday's video. We got 1,000. $1,300 views. What is that black spot on the thumbnail? Alright, yo, fam, what is up? You are... Hi, haters! It's a neurological condition. I wish JFK was president over Trump. Guys, I'm paying my car insurance right now. Which is extremely overpriced in Florida. Alright, time for my account to get drained. Spy is absolutely dumping. Spy is absolutely dumping. I told you guys it would dump in the close. Not in the close, but like I said, here, I'll show you guys what I said. Alright, yo, fam, what is up? You the fundamental data. The fundamental data is literally come on, show me. Show me the truth, DataZero. Right here. Bullishness here in the beginning of the day, but I think by the end of the day, you're going to see some algos and traders taking profits. So I think we're going to come up pre-market, drop down, find support, then you'll probably push up a little bit higher, and then start to sell off in the close. And that's what I think we could see, in my personal opinion. Okay, so in the pre-market, we pumped up as expected, dropped down, found support, then bounced, pushed up as expected, and now we're selling off into the later half of the day as expected. Ladies and gentlemen, like and subscribe for the best predictions. And not only that, but some of the best entertainment you'll find here on YouTube. I try to keep things interesting and fun. Right now I'm paying my car insurance. If it's due. I'm pretty sure it's due. This policy is to be canceled at 12:01 a.m. on 7/5. Guys, I'm pretty sure my payment is due. Okay. Okay. I'll send you the money. My bad. I forgot, okay? Damn. This policy is to be canceled at 12:01 a.m. on 7/05 due to non-payment. Bro, I literally forgot. Oh my God, it's only 4 days late. You guys are some fiends. Absolute fiends, bro. Like I don't pay every single time, bruh. Yeah, you should. Car insurance shouldn't even be legal, bro. Car insurance is a scam. It should be illegal. Better buy SPY now? I don't know, man. I don't know about that. It seems like my car insurance company's mad at me, guys. All right, let me do this real quick before my policy gets canceled. I should just to be a dick, I should wait all the way to 7. I should wait all the way to 7/4. Since they want to be like this. Like I don't pay every time on time, bro. You D-heads. All right. I'm going to take a screenshot of my account so I can remember the good times. And then empty it all with all of my payments. Oh, shoot. I got to make a doctor's appointment today, too. Holy sh... Wow, GameStop pulling back. Lame! Alright, so I'm gonna need... Alright, let's do some quick math here on how much money I need total. We'll just withdraw it all at once. Come on, GameStop. I thought GameStop, unless Max Pay changed, GameStop Max Pay is $23.50. GME Max Pay is $23.50. GME Max Pay is $23.50. This stupid ass flag. Get this out of here. And is that's a man. That's a man, bruh. Get that shit out of here. That's a man, baby. Bro, we were just at $24. Come on, my dude. I need 24. Ugh. I don't have automatic payments now. I don't want anyone automatically taking nothing out of my account. The only thing I want is money coming into my account, never coming out. So I have money directly coming in automatically, but not coming out. I don't want nobody dipping their hands in my account. So nobody has permission to auto take nothing from me. I don't give a fuck if it's a monthly bill or not. You ain't taking shit until I tell you can take it. Yeah, so SQQQ, I'm basically just getting dividends off of, just holding dividends. And I'll tell you what though, if there is a time to be hedged, it's now. SPY is dumping, cuz it's absolutely dumping. SPY is absolutely dumping, bro. It's so unsustainable. Bro, SPY might start dumping today. Like, this might be the top. This might be the top. This might be the blow off top. This might be the blow off top. Look at that gravestone doji on the daily time frame. RSI overbought. Yeah, this could be the top. This could definitely be the top for SPY. SPY's not going to hold all-time highs. It's not. It's not going to hold all-time highs. It's going to start pulling back. It's not going to hold all-time highs. It's not. SPY would have to stay above. I figured out yesterday. I think in order to stay above all-time highs, it would have to stay above. SPY would have to hold 613.19. If it stays above 613.19, it has a chance. If it goes back below 613, then it dumps. Right now, RSI is oversold, so SPY should be able to bounce off of that. Why did Amy come back to 3? Come on, bro. This shit that's Amy be annoying sometimes, but like the thing is, bro, I just be chilling. That's why. There's no reason Amy should be at $3, bro. It should be at 303. Bro, we should have been at 304 like 5 days ago, but they manipulate so much to keep us at the same levels.
Yo, 14, you got another one.
I wish Bitcoin was cheaper. Oh my God, I should have bought more Bitcoin, bro. I'm so stupid. I don't want to buy Bitcoin over 100K, but I'm so stupid, dude. I should have bought more Bitcoin. I swear if Bitcoin pulls back like I'm expecting, I'm buying way more. Bro, I could have been a millionaire right now if I just bought all Bitcoin and XRP. Like if I just only bought those. It's definitely tracking with this fractal, bro. We're coming back. Bitcoin's going to come back down to like 90. It's going to come back down to like 90K, 95K. Bitcoin's 1000% tracking with this fractal. Basically what it's saying is Bitcoin tops out here and pulls back, and then we'll go higher later. So Bitcoin's going to come back down. Bounce and then rally. SPY's gonna bounce here because RSI is oversold. If I move this, it would look exactly like the price action you're seeing right now. All right, I need $400 for my bills right now. You guys want to send me $400 and pay all my bills? I'm joking, I'm joking, I'm joking, I'm joking. What if I came online and begged for $400? Do you think I would get it? If I came online and begged for $500, do you think I would get it? Like if I was like, yo, I need $500 because I'm about to be homeless. Do you think anyone would believe me? And do you think anyone would send me the money? Those are the two questions I would like to know. On point. Thank you, brother. On point. You ain't from 43rd if you don't know how to properly say these streets. Look, Florida has the weirdest names, okay? So if you don't know how to say it, it's okay. What am I seeing here? Those things look like knees. Bruh. I don't think I think girls have missed. I think girls have missed the mark on what men find attractive, because ladies, if your ass looks like a diaper, that's not attractive, okay? Guys don't like that. Okay? There's a certain limit to these things. Just because you have the biggest ass is not attractive, okay? I think girls have truly lost their minds on what they think men think attractive is, because some of these girls just have missed the mark by a mile. Okay, so Spy for support at 613. Oh, sorry, I'm sorry. What is this number here? Oh, I can't see it, bruh. Spy support on the yellow line. No, Spy is going to bounce and then pull back lower. Spy is going to bounce like this and pull back lower. Not financial advice. I mean, it's not like I know everything, but I know pretty much everything. I need $500 right now. I'm going to be homeless. I just took $500 out of my account and I didn't even notice. Bro's so mad. Justin is so mad right now. He's like, this guy doesn't teach you anything. It's later, dude. Teaching you how to pay your bills is the most important thing in the world. Get out! Don't say that you are rich getting richer. Thirsty. I don't think I'll ever be poor at this point. All I care about is GameStop bouncing. That's all I care about. This chick has a diaper on, bro. If you would have seen what I seen, you know what I'm talking about right now. You didn't see the shit that I saw, okay? This looks like a big falling wedge on GameStop. Wow, I barely even noticed, for real. Oh my god, this is crazy. I made it. I made it! I fucking made it, bro. I made it, bro. I made it. I'm officially at the first level of making it. People know who I am. I'm clouded. I have people literally making whole Twitter accounts just about me. I'm so flattered. I'm so flattered. I'm finally up. What a wonderful life. Hey guys, on this channel, I'll show you how to pay your bills. Bro, you didn't see what I saw, bro. Fire in the chat. Love to see it. Can we get some rockets? Maybe GameStop will push back up. Spy is tracking. Spy is tracking. Spy's going to make a lower high and pull back. Not financial advice, guys. Spy's going to make a lower high and pull back. Pay in full. Renewal plus current balance. There's your stupid money. I should just pay the whole policy off. I could do that. Spy's done for the day. I hope you took profit on calls. I really do. Bro got mad because I'm not telling him every single direction. You know what? How about I just don't go live and nobody gets any help? How about that? How about that? How about I just take Friday off and nobody gets any help? How about that, Justin? One person ruins it for everyone. Spy's done for the day, guys. Spy is done for the day. Take profit on calls. The only thing I'm worried about is GameStop and AMC having a green day. Bro, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. If you're still sleeping, you're a fucking bum.
Yo, check it out. Spider-Man, the trilogy coming back to theaters? Here's what we know now. So the
Dude, I am so funny, bro. Here's what we know now. We need more movies bad for AMC. That's one thing we need. Seems like you guys really liked yesterday's video. Thank you.
Like the photo, when you zoom out of it, you're like this. Slowly, so it becomes almost pixelated so you can't see it. To make it come back, all I have to do is just enlarge it and it goes on your shoulder.
Wait, what?
Like the photo, when you zoom out of it, you're like this. Slowly, so it becomes almost pixelated.
I hate magic tricks, dude. Sometimes they confuse my brain. What? When did he put that there? It has to be a camera trick. Guys, magic tricks hurt my brain. Ashton Hall, 17 million on IG. Alright, you guys gotta follow me on Instagram. I gotta get 17 million, guys. I'm not paying for followers, though. That's the problem. Man goes viral for taking advantage of all-you-can-eat lobster buffet. It's all you can eat, bro. Eat the lobster, bro. Don't make an all-you-can-eat buffet. In fact, that's against the law to say it's all you can eat and then not let people eat as much as you can eat, bro.
Appreciate that. Thank you very much. Oh, well. Can I have more lobster or not? I have to eat all this first. To be clear, the rules are that I have to finish a plate before...
This guy's just being difficult. Okay, guys, I'm done. It's Friday, guys. I'm sorry. I'm waiting for my money to settle. Then I'm sending you a super chat by Monday. And if you join the Discord... hold on, bro. Let me see what you said. Bro, I finally seen the new Captain America and I wasn't impressed at all. Yeah, it's really bad. It's really bad. But hey, I'm glad you went to go see it. But did you see it at an AMC theater? That's the first question. And Trevor said, I'm waiting for my money to settle, and then I'm sending you a super chat by Monday. If you join the Discord, you'll do the same. There's cool people in there. Thank you, Trevor. I really appreciate you. You'll get Discord alerts, and you can start meeting people that actually make money if you reach out in his Discord. $100. Look at this, guys. This is someone else saying it. This is not me, bro. This is not me saying it, guys. This is what I'm trying to tell you. Yo, why does everybody have an @ next to their name? Something changed, bro. See how it says @Kai Supreme, @. So I wonder if you can tag people. Yeah, you can tag people, look. You can tag people now. See, I know this type of stuff, bro, because what up, Eyes? We gotta link up on the Fortnite, but sometimes I be rolling solo a lot, bro. That's my fault. And a lot of times I don't be having time. I be popping on for a game and then popping off, but I still leave the game on. So that's sometimes why I don't take invites. See, Spy's done, guys. I told you guys Spy's done for today. Spy's done for today. Yeah, they changed everybody's name, bro. Everybody's name is different. That's why I couldn't recognize some people. Everybody's name is different now. Well, Trevor, if you do send me a super chat, I will greatly appreciate it, brother. First of all, little low on the donations, but it doesn't matter. Who cares? But my main goal is just to make sure you guys are, you know, living good, man. I know that if I help people, God will help me. And I've been helping people this whole time, and it's just been making me go up. So I'm just going to keep helping people. Oh, I didn't see it. That would be sick, bro. I remember that one 1-0 game build. We went in, bro. You're a pretty good player. Oh, you did say you started a YouTube. Yeah, everybody start a YouTube channel. Everyone start a YouTube channel, guys. Start a YouTube, start a business. Just sell things. Because if you do trading and you start a business and start a YouTube, I'm telling you guys, you'll make so much money. You'll make so much. The YouTube thing's a grind. But if you start a business and do trading and do stocks and stuff like that, you'll make so much money. I want all of you guys to have multiple incomes. I'm the most paranoid person in the world. You can even ask. I thought it was a scam when I signed up. I'll never scan anybody, bro. I made my money back the first day, literally. Then I lost a bunch of money doing stupid stuff. And then listen to your own due diligence and research, reaching out. Are you up now, though, bro? Bro said he made his money back the first day. A lot of people do. A lot of people make their money the very first day. It's crazy. It's only $100, bro. If you're not willing to invest $100 into yourself, you're never gonna make it anyways. But yeah, I would never scam, bro. I worked way too hard for my reputation to scam people. No fucking way. I'm never doing no crypto scams. I'm never pumping no penny stocks. I'm never pumping no meme coins. Bro, I've been offered $50,000 to $100,000 no cap to pump meme coins to you guys before. I mean, with $100,000, I could change my life. If someone gave me $100,000 cash, I could change everything. But if you give someone like me $100,000 cash extra, I'm never coming back down. So I've literally been offered $50,000 to $100,000 to show you guys meme coins, and I won't do it. I don't know if the $100,000 was real, because that seems like a lot for how many subscribers I have, but I think the $50,000 offer was legit. They wanted me to shill meme coins, and they wanted me to do it multiple times, so I think it was legit. They said if I shilled meme coins over like a month, they'll pay the $50 up front. I just have to show their meme coin for like a month. Not doing it though. SPY's coming back down for this gap, guys. SPY's done for today. I tried to tell you, take profit on put or calls. Danny Lamb, those 611 puts are about to go into money, bro. Should have took the 50. I can't believe I was selling that Discord for $50, bro. I cannot believe I was selling my Discord for $50 fucking dollars, bro. That's so dirt fucking cheap. And that's why so many people send me super chats. Now all my super chats are going towards, I don't want to say it out loud because she might be listening, but I'll type it in the chat. The people's champ. That's what I want to be. I want to be the people's champ. I would have shilled a 50. Bro, you can't ever take back. If I shill a meme coin once, I can never take that back. My 16,000 subscribers, knowing that I'm a trustworthy person, is worth more than that 50,000. Alright, I gotta get that off the screen. I gotta get that off of the screen. Get that off of there. The fake DZ. Yo, I remember I said that. That was, some of you guys I think believed me though. When I was like, there's a duplicate. Yo, SPY is done, bro. Oh my god. If SPY goes into this gap, it's gonna dump. What do we have here? OG Ape! Uh-oh, you're gonna make my BM mad. OG Ape with the 5-piece, bro. OG Ape with the 5-piece. Thank you, brother. I think that's our first... No, that's our second super chat for today. And we already have one brand new member. I might do a gifted giveaway, but you guys got to get the likes up. Come on, GameStop. Please hold up. Please hold up. GameStop has a falling wedge, but we really need to hold this. And AMC, we really need to close above 301. $5.50 today. I'll take that. I'll take that. Do I want a $5.50 or a $6.20? I think $6.20. And just like that, $500 spent. That's America for you. That's America for you, though. The rate you can spend thousands of dollars in America is crazy, bro. I should have listened to you, Data, and sold while I was up. Damn. GME be pissing me off. I'm down 20K for it, bro. Well, hey, listen. If you are able to hold, if you have shares, you'll be okay. But I always tell people to take profits because I just want to help people. None of this is financial advice, but when I see GameStop up to $37, even if I don't listen to it, I'm still telling you guys take profit. You know what I mean? Because remember what I was saying up here: take profit, take profit, take profit, take profit. It's okay, man. You'll learn. You'll learn. It's okay, man. There's gonna be more times. GameStop's not dead at all. If GameStop went underneath $20, I'd be like, yeah, there's a problem here. But GameStop is fine. GameStop is fine. If we were under $20, yeah, I would say, hey, there's a problem here. But GameStop is fine. And honestly, at this point, either way, GameStop and AMC will go together. But at this point, I'd much rather have my money in GameStop than AMC. In my personal opinion. Spy is going for this gap fill. Spy's having a bad day so far. I bet the Bulls are pissed. If Spy stays below 613, it's going to keep going down. This could be the top. Very easily could be the top. I know Bulls are sick right now. Bro, if you would have held those 611 puts, those are about to go in the money in the 612s. Oh my God, 73% off exchange? No way. Let me confirm that. If that is true, that's just horrific. Literally horrific. 70.97% off exchange volume for GME. I have an appointment at 6:12. $620. I have an appointment. Okay, so I need to put a reminder. At 6. So remind me at 6:10. Oh, no. Put it at 6:20. And then put several reminders. I want to know 30 minutes before, 15 minutes before, and 5 minutes before. And that will be my doctor's appointment. Oh, I got to pay my health insurance too. Yeah, so my next big thing is this is the one thing I have trouble talking to you guys about, because there's also, I don't mind the family knowing, it's the haters, and I don't want the haters to have ammunition, but I'm doing the right thing and I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing, but all of the money now that I make is going towards one thing. I wrote it in the comment section, but I have one goal and one goal only. Some of you guys know what that is, but there was something that I feel was taken from me and I need it back. So that's what all of the super chats and stuff go to now. Nothing extra. And I'm doing all merch and super chats going towards that. I had to block some guy on Twitter yesterday because he made an account. He literally posted an account about me. Please follow me on Twitter/X, by the way. And please follow me on Instagram, y'all. I'm trying to get my Twitter, because I need to get my other social medias up. So if you guys could please follow me on Instagram. I do behind the scenes stuff. I also post details about trading. And then it's just like behind the scenes stuff, behind the scenes. So if you guys want behind the scenes, you can follow me on Instagram, which is right here, and it will really help me out. So here's my Instagram. If you guys want to give me a follow there, I'd appreciate it. QQQQ is red for the day. I say it's a natural sell-off. SPY's overvalued right now. They're taking profits. They ran it up, and this is exit liquidity. Exit liquidity, man. Exit liquidity. GameStop's having a green week. AMC's having a green week, but SPY had a red week, or a green week. If SPY would have had a red week, I would have been right about everything. AMC green week so far, GME green week. Yo, Spy is really losing it. Yo, Danny, did you hold the 611s? DZ, the size of your paycheck directly corresponds on how many people help get theirs. Kind of, because I helped a lot of people this month. I think something's going on. I don't know. I don't want to even talk about this aspect of things. But I think people are getting a little too comfortable with me just coming online every day. I think what I have to do is kind of take away the live stream. This month was really bad for revenue. I don't want to talk to you guys about this stuff, but this month for YouTube revenue was really, 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 really bad. Now, I don't know if that's because last month was really, really good. I don't know. Plus, I haven't seen none of my whales. That's a big factor, too. I hope Ant-Man's okay, because I actually haven't seen him in a while. I've seen Todd. I've seen Chris P. Seen Chris C pop in. But I haven't seen Ant-Man in a while, so I just hope he's okay. But none of that shit matters. I definitely get shadow banned. Definitely. A lot of people are telling me they're not getting notifications and stuff like that. A lot of people are saying they're not getting notifications. SQQQ's now green on the day. Holy shit. A lot of people are saying they're not getting my notifications. Yo, Spy is literally dying right now. I tried to tell you guys, blow off top. That's another thing. I need to get the class done. I'm only 60% done with it. So I still have another 40% to go. I'll work on it this weekend. That's another thing. I need to get the class done. That would be huge for me. Come on, GameStop. Come on, bro. Why? It's because they dump short shares. I can't get upset at GameStop. I got to get upset at the short sellers. Daily dose of D. Wow, they went from 1.7 million short shares to 7 million. Look, they dumped 1 million short shares on GameStop. They went from 1.7 million to 700,000. Look, they dumped over 1 million short shares. They dumped 1 million short shares on GameStop. They went from 1.7 million to 700,000. Criminals, bro, trying to get it to Max Payne. Max Payne is $23.50, so they want it at $23.49. $23.49, $23.48. They're trying to get it to Max Payne so bad right now. And AMC's Max Payne is $3. Spy is dying, bruh. 611 puts about to go in the money. Wow, they're right at my exact price target, what I said about GameStop. $23.48, $23.49. I said this in yesterday's video. Oh my God, this market is so fake. This market is so fake. I told you guys, pop to the upside and draw down in the afternoon. This is exactly what I called for in yesterday's video. Sell off. Then you'll probably push up a little bit higher. Profits. So I think we're going to come up pre-market, drop down, find support. Then you'll probably push up a little bit higher and then start to sell off in the close. And that's what I think we could see, in my personal opinion. Called it based to a T, dog. To a T. And then I talked about Max Payne for GameStop. Dude, my videos are so good for GameStop to recover. I know people a lot. 23.75 as support. And if we can maintain that. I gotta find out where we talk about GME Max Payne. That's where I tell you guys about the price targets. That level. Now, if we are able to close above $3 stocks, we're gonna go ahead and check out GME Max Payne and AMC Max Payne, giving you guys the information there on what's going on for these two stocks. So AMC's Max Payne is going to be $3. So they're gonna work very hard to try to push it down towards that level. Now, if we are able to close above $3, that means we beat the market makers, ladies and gentlemen. And RSI is oversold for GameStop right now.
The battle for AMC is going to be holding and maintaining $3. And of course, if we can break above 303, we should see a decent pop to the upside. If we can break and hold that support and resistance
they didn't let
level.
us get back
Now,
above
as far as
303
GME is concerned, and you guys know Friday is one of the most
should have been
manipulated
above
stocks for the
303
meme
today.
stocks. GME's Max Payne at time of recording is sitting at 23.50. So they're going to try to push it underneath 23.50. Again, they don't want the 23.50 calls in the money. So price targets for AMC is going to be, if you're a market maker, they're going to want to try to get AMC at 298, 299, right underneath $3, making that Max Payne price close as possible without putting those $3 calls in the money. And on GameStop, since the GameStop Max Payne is 23.50, they're going to try to get us towards 23.49, 23.48. Now, I think both AMC and
Crazy. I think we do close above it, but we'll see. All right, steady growth on subscribers. I like it. I like it. $15 minutes till power hour. 15 minutes till power hour. 15 minutes till power hour. One brand new member, 81 likes. Please hit the like button. I might do a gifted giveaway if we can get up to like 100 plus likes. So if you guys want to hit the like button for a possible gifted giveaway, hit the like button, please. And if you guys can, follow me on Instagram. All right, GameStop getting a nice little bounce here. GameStop getting a nice little bounce. So is SPY. SPY RSI oversold. I still think SPY is going to make a lower high and continue down. It's making a very, very bearish candle here on the daily time frame. It's called a gravestone doji. Very bearish. Very bearish. Could definitely be a topping tail. That beat is sick. I wish I could leave the camera on 24/7, but I can't. At this point, I feel pretty comfortable on camera. I would get in trouble. I'll turn the camera on in a couple minutes, but if anyone's wondering, I'm wearing the DZ Scott keys. I'm gonna wear the Bitcoin Slayer shirt soon. But all of this stuff's in the merch store. You can check it out, man. And if you rock it, you're gonna look fly like me. So if you wanna look fresh, make all of your haters mad, go ahead and check out the merch store. You know what it is. If you want to look fresh and make all your haters mad, you already know the deal, baby. It's your boy. DataZero in the flesh. Your boy. It's your boy. I wish I could just blaze with you guys. I would love that, you know what I mean? I could leave the camera on so much longer if I could just blaze with you guys. I wish I could, man. I wish so bad. I gotta get this dual streaming figured out. I feel like if I got on TikTok too and Instagram and started streaming live on those two places at the same time with YouTube, I feel like I could blow up.
Yo, 14, you got another one.
SPY is melting, cuz. SPY has support at 611.50. If it loses that, it's going to continue down. GameStop's holding 23.50. Nah, if you made money, you made money, bro. It's not early if you made money. If you made money, that's all that matters. You guys need to stop trying to make maximum amount of money. That's being greedy. Being greedy is what gets you burnt. That's what you guys got to realize. Stop saying, oh, I should have held, I should have held, I should have did it. Bro, if you made money, that's all that fucking matters. Hindsight is 2020. You can't Monday morning quarterback and then be like, oh, I should have did this. You never know what could have happened. Damn, my coffee got the extra coffee taste today. Holy shit, isn't it? They must have put an extra espresso on that bitch. Oh my god, I can taste the espresso. Woo! And that shit just perked me up like a woo! That espresso just hit me, baby. My god. Yo, SQQQ's going kind of crazy right now. Bro, SQQQ went all the way from 1975 all the way to 2035 for a 3% gain. This could definitely be the top for SPY. 611 puts about to go in the money, bruh. This could definitely be the top. Everybody's taking profits. I told you they were dumping on retail. Exit liquidity. Exit liquidity. If this doesn't tell you exit liquidity, I don't know what will. Who pressed like on this? I appreciate that. Bro, everybody's name is different. Dr. Quality Control, what up? I love you, family. I love you guys so much. The only word that comes to my mind and how I feel to describe when I think about DZ fam is love, bro. I have so much love for y'all, yo. I literally have so much love for the DZ fam. Like, you are quite literally part of my family. That's how legit this shit is. I love you like you're actually part of my family. We've been through a lot together, man. I don't know if you guys feel the same way, but I feel like we've been through a lot together, y'all. And I never would have made it through all of it if it wasn't for you guys. You guys already know the haters wanted me to quit. Did we ever quit? Did we ever give up? Did we ever stop? No. We never stopped. We never quit. We never gave in. Yo, SPY is literally leaking. My God. I don't know how much further it can go down now. RSI is getting oversold multiple time frames. A ton of selling. This is a topping tail, guys. That shark fin pattern. That shark fin. All we need to do is see GameStop hold $23.50, AMC hold $3, which it is. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. I'm messaging Ant-Man in the Discord because I haven't seen him in a couple days. Maybe he's on vacation. Todd always is here, but he be lurking in the background. He doesn't comment all the time. But I bet you Todd's listening right now. Zelly said she doesn't get my notifications. And I told her that's fine, nobody's getting my notifications. Thank you, Benjamin. I appreciate that. Mike Vick, but he has a Jordan sign. You know that's like kind of contradicting each other, right? Your name's Mike Vick, but you have a Jordan sign. Is it football or basketball? Which one is it, brother? I'm just teasing you guys. See, I told you he's there. No, I knew. You didn't have to do that, Todd. You could have just typed, hey, I'm here. But Todd, in typical whale fashion. Todd, you didn't have to do that, bro. You could have just said, yes, I'm here, Data. I told you, I know Todd. He always listens, but he doesn't always chat. But he's always listening. I told you guys. I love being so confident in my fam. Well, Spy just hit 610.83 for the low. My God. Yo, homie just came out the woodwork with the 5 gifted. Thank you, bro. Thank you for the 5 gifted. If you just got gifted from Todd, please thank him and put some hype in the chat for this man. Let's see who got gifted. Dylan Miller, Reds, LD Wolf, Howard got gifted. And TC Williams. Is my name the same? Oh, I see. Microphone Vic. I got you. Is my name the same? Okay, my name's at Datazero5. They're using everybody's, I see what they're doing. They're using everybody's at name. So whatever your at name is for your channel, that's what they're using. So you can see if you go to your channel, it says youtube.com/@Datazero5. That's what they're using. Your at name. It must have been some type of update. And you guys can change that in the settings. $4,693 videos. Holy cow. 4,900,000 views. I swear I had 5 million views. I swear I had 5 million views. Follow me on Instagram. Please follow me on Instagram, guys. I need more Instagram followers. Spy's definitely got to get a bounce, right? RSI is so oversold. Thank you, Todd, for the 5 gifted, bro. You're a fucking legend, bro. You're an absolute legend. That's going to put us at 6 brand new members. 6 brand new members. 94 likes. Come on, get those likes up. We are in Power Hour. It's time to get hype. It's Power Hour on a Friday. Time to be happy. Time to be excited. Time to live life. You're almost off work. Get ready. You guys are almost off work. AMC's at 301 and GameStop's holding, so AMC's holding 3 and GameStop's holding 23.50. Everything's good. Spy has definitely got to bounce, bruh. RSI is so oversold. Crazy thing about all of that is I don't even care about this shit. This shit doesn't matter. Matters to you, not me. We need 4 more likes. I can't believe we got a 5 gifted. Thank you, bro. GameStop's gonna bounce. SPY's bouncing. So is Amy. Looks like Chris is killing it in the day trade chat on the Discord. Yeah, SPY got way too oversold. It has to bounce, bro. It has to. Just a little bit, though. When SPY falls like this, it doesn't... Normally, what happens is it starts to consolidate. It doesn't go crazy. So you'll probably see SPY consolidate in the close and maybe pull back a little bit more. But every time you see shit like this, you see SPY kind of hesitant to push back up. That's crazy. I called AMD up and it went up. That falling wedge. I haven't really looked at Apple in a while. Apple actually doesn't look that hot. The VIX is up. The VIX is up. Yeah, SPY might start pulling back even more. Just a little, you might have a little bit more downside. Like what you'll do is you'll come up, you'll recover just a little bit and then pull back. So 612.44, maybe come up to that and then pull back. The previous all-time high was like 613. SPY has to be above 613 to be bullish. It has to hold the all-time high. So SPY would have to hold this 613.18. It would have to hold that to be bullish. And if I was being generous, I could say 612.15 if I was being generous. It has to hold that to be bullish. If it can't hold this, it's gonna end up doing this. It's gonna double top. If it cannot break and hold all-time highs, it's gonna double top. It's gonna double top. And it's gonna be the craziest double top we've ever seen in our entire lives. It would be so, bro. And if this is the neckline, oh my God. If this is the neckline for the double top, it would be the most, oh my God, it would be the most craziest thing we've ever seen in history. Because the neckline would be right here. So here's your top one, top two. You break below that, you drop down even more. Yo, it'd be devastating. That would be crazy. So to be generous, SPY has to hold 612.15 to 613.15 in order to be bullish. It must hold all-time highs. They're working so hard to get GameStop at max pain level. See, you're just going to expose yourself, market makers, because I called you out in yesterday's video. So if you close at 648, 649, you're exposing yourself. And GME will actually be able to beat their max. Exposing yourself. Max pain is 2350. They're going to try to get us towards 2349, 2348. Now, I think both AMC and GME will actually be able to. They're exposing themselves if they get us max pain. AMC is above max pain. AMC max pain $3. If we close above max pain, that's extremely bullish. They're going to try to get us to 298, 299. And they're going to try to get GameStop to 2349, 2348. Market makers expose themselves. All right, so SPY heading towards that 612.44 price target. SPY heading towards that 612.44 price target.
Cross, you're crazy.
AMC 301. Type 1 if you're listening at work. Type 1 if you're listening at work. If you can If you can type 1 real quick, type 1 if you're listening from work. We got 130 freaking people in the building. That's what's up. Thank you, man, for being here right now. Time for me to think bigger. Time for me to think bigger, bro. Think bigger. Think bigger. Bigger, bigger, more. Alright, we got some new followers on IG, bro. Thank you. Liquidity, or Dr. Control. Quality Control. Quality Control. Thank you for the follow on Insta. Thank you for the follow on Insta. If you guys don't mind, follow me on Instagram and on Twitter/X, whatever you want to call it. Just give me a follow on those things. We got the most fire beats. And then here's my Twitter/X. Give me a follow. The freak is going on? GameStop's still in this falling wedge, guys. GameStop's still in this falling wedge. They want us to close at this freaking max pain point. Bro, market makers are straight exposing themselves right now. Hedgies get exposed. What do you guys think about the title? I just now changed it, so you have to refresh it to see the new one. F1 is coming out today. Oh, yeah. See, we do need some more movies. We need some more movies to come out. F1, yeah, that's something original. We need something original. Marvel's not doing it anymore. Marvel's just making absolute garbage. That freaking, the stuff they're giving us is slop. It's for the lowest common denominator. It's for people that can't think and critically think. I heard 28 Years Later was fire, though. Tron is going to be crazy. Mortal Kombat 2 should be crazy because the last Mortal Kombat movie was wild. The last Mortal Kombat movie was actually sick. I don't know if you guys seen it. It's like they made a newer Mortal Kombat. It was sick. F1. Jurassic World always does like $1 billion. Jurassic World, it's probably not going to be that good, but it always does like $1 billion anyways because hardcore Jurassic. I mean, I love Jurassic Park. I grew up with it. Minecraft movie should be on this upcoming earnings too. GameStop's holding the line right now. I'm gonna draw a white dot it to help the cause. Hold the line, baby. Hold the line. What about Snow White? That movie was fire, right, guys? Yo, the Mortal Kombat movie. Does anyone know what I'm talking about? The new Mortal Kombat movie? It came out... Yeah, this one. This new one was sick. I don't know if you guys seen this one. This one was sick. So if it's the second one of this one, it's gonna be fire. This Mortal Kombat, they did it right. I don't know if you guys seen this one, but this one was sick. So if it's the second one of this one, which I think it is, it's gonna be dirty. Because they did that shit right on that Mortal Kombat. It makes me want to watch the movie again because it was so good. It was really good. I kind of want to watch it, like literally like want to watch it tonight. It's so good. They dumped 1 million short shares on GameStop today, guys. Over 1 million. Dude, do you know how insane that is? Bro, do you know how, like, the SEC... This is how you know the SEC is non-existent for real. And notice Trump's in the office. Now, we got to give him time with the whole SEC thing. But nothing's happening. Nothing's happening. If they don't start prosecuting people in a year or two from now, you already know, bruh. AMC's pushing up, thank God. AMC should be at 304 legitimately, bro. But... the SEC is non-existent, bro. Listen, I record this shit live every single day, okay? How do I predict price knowing because market makers are going to try to get a stock towards Max Payne? Bro, that should be illegal in itself. How do I on a daily basis record them, literally record proof of them committing crimes? Look, this is readily available information. 68.77% short interest or dark pool volume. What the dog? Go look at Apple's dark pool volume. See if it's at 68.77%. I guarantee it's not. Look at this. GME short interest on a stock that has $9 billion in cash, mind you. And is profitable, okay? Just let that sink in. Bro, I think they got more cash than Apple. Apple's like a bank, though, so I might be wrong on that. Okay, Apple got 16 billion. 16 billion. 16 billion. 16 billion. GME has 9 billion. Profitable company. And holds. Bro, they're literally going for Max Payne price on GameStop, guys. Quite literally going for Max Payne price. Like, I literally called it out yesterday. It's insane. Yeah, they got it from scamming people from the iPhone. If everybody just bought Androids, the world would be a better place. But they made people believe that iPhone was the better product using very, 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 very good marketing. And then also predatory tactics, like once you get an Apple phone, then it only works with Apple products. So now you have to buy the Apple Watch, you have to buy the iPad, and now if you want to switch, it's going to be a process. They make it as hard as possible for this shit. But people don't know about technology, unfortunately. If people were educated about technology, they'd be pissed about iPhones. It's a phone that literally locks you out of your own device and says, hey, you're too stupid to know what to not to do or what you can do, so we're not going to let you do anything. It literally says that. But to each their own. We're strong on GME because of the apes that keep holding. I guess I'm one of them because I keep holding. But I should have been flipping because accumulating more shares is smarter. I need to start thinking bigger. I'm gonna start thinking bigger. More risk, more action. So I'm flipping. I really should take profit on the shares now and get in again. But I'm going to wait for this next run. We're going to get a decent run, this gap fill, and I'm going to take profits up here around 30 and then get back in if I see a pullback coming. I'm going to start trading the shares. The unfortunate part about that is I'm not going to be able to have my amazing cost average of $16 per share. But I'm going to be able to accumulate more shares over time if they keep playing these games of we rally and then pull back, rally and pull back. What we do is we can utilize that against them simply by taking profits here and buying back here. So right here we are overbought. Very simple rules. RSI overbought, 4-hour time frame, daily time frame, take profits. RSI oversold, 4-hour time frame, daily time frame, good buy zone. So I could have easily looked at RSI here, which I was screaming take profits during this whole time. I was like, take profits, take profit, take profits. I could have took profits here on my shares that are $16 average. I was up like 120, 150%. I could have took profit on that. And then when we came back down here, with that gain plus this drawdown, I would have probably been able to get not only double, that's a 41% drawdown, I would have probably been able to triple up on the shares. Now, my price average would have been $21 or $22, somewhere around that range, which would have made my risk tolerance a little bit different, because with a $16 average, my risk tolerance, I don't give a what happens. We're using $20 as a floor. And that's why I like having that very, very, very low average, because I accumulated very, very low. I bought low because I knew GME was going to go into an overall uptrend because we're breaking out of this falling wedge here. Green monthly MACD. So I knew we were going to uptrend. So I bought these lows. I called the bottom at 9.95. I'm going to play one commercial, guys. Don't hate me for that. We got 130 in the building. An amazing 6 brand new members today. Shout out Todd, OG8, Can't Get Right, Danny Woods, and Anubis Gaming. It was Anubis, told you. Did I miss this? Bro, I missed your super chat. Brother, I am so sorry, dog. I'm disappointed in myself. That's why I always go back and check, bro. What do you think about 608 puts for next week? Dangerous, brother. Dangerous. Dangerous, dangerous, dangerous. What you want to do if you're trying to short is get the closest price to the current price. Also, if you're trying to short, you want to wait till price goes high. Shorting, you have to think about the opposite mindset of buying. So when you see the price rallying and rallying and RSI getting overbought, that's when you start getting ready to short. If you guys want to truly become successful shorters, you gotta first of all learn the psychologies aspect. I have to get this class done. I have to get it done because I'm gonna help a lot of people. There's so much stuff to this, but once you figure it out, it's simple. You can short. You can short. You can short. But you have to know how to call tops. You have to know when. You have to have the opposite mindset of buying. When you're buying, you want price to be low. You want to look for the lowest possible price when you're buying. You want it to go down, 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 down. When you're shorting, you want prices to go as high as possible. No, chat not frozen, but good test. We can always do this test. Thirty minutes remaining. 30 minutes remaining. I tried to draw a dotted line to help GameStop, but they're just putting it to max pain. Literally exposing themselves. Okay, SPY did hit this 612.44 price target. Next resistance will be $613.35. Bro, yo, Amy, thank God. Amy, become a 304. Amy, become a 304. Do it. Hey, we're curling up. We're curling up. We're curling up. It's just like last time. We curled up and then we pushed up. Look at that. See how we made this rounded bottom before and then we pushed up hard? Bro, GameStop and AMC are setting up for a run. And then when this run happens, I'm going to take profit and then come back in. Watch it be the last time it does it, though. Watch this run be the last run, and it's going to pump up and not come back down. If GameStop goes to $30 again, I don't see why it can't hold it forever. The shorts are so pissed right now. I know they're so mad. This thing won't die. It won't die, bro. They just want to kill the stock, and it won't fucking die. I know they're mad, bro. I wish I could see them. They're probably fucking furious, bro. 20% short interest almost. They just keep shorting and shorting and shorting and shorting. And the buy pressure just will not go away. I don't know how. Honestly, I don't know how we still have buy pressure. I don't know how we still have buy pressure. We still have crazy buy pressure. Because GameStop should literally be like $10 or $5 with the amount of shorting. And AMC should be like 50 cents. The amount of shorting that and dark pooling and manipulation, literally AMC should be like 50 cents, bro, and GameStop should be like $5, bro. They literally dumped 1 million short shares just today. Like, this is crazy. Look, they just dumped more. 50,000 more. Literally just throwing short shares. Just throwing them at them. Throwing at them. Throwing at them. Throwing at them. Throwing at them. Throwing. These stocks should be in the ground, bro. But they just keep coming back up. They just keep coming back up, bro. But this is how you know Ryan Cohen and Adam Aaron ain't real for real. Because they have to know. There's no way without a doubt they don't know. They know all of this shorting and shit's happening, bro. You can, if I can see it with free websites that we have 68% dark pool volume and they're just dumping shares constantly, there's no way they don't know, bro. Adam Aaron and Ryan Cohen know. The SEC knows. Nobody cares. Nobody's going to stop it. It's all part of business as usual. Nobody's going to stop it. And nobody's on our side. I'll tell you that much. As far as retail is concerned, nobody's on our side. Lunchtime. You picked a good time for lunch. SPY's pushing up for that 613.35 resistance. I think that's where SPY might top and start to pull, like, not, I don't think it's going to go higher than 613.35. So it's like going to come up and then pull back. Not financial advice. It might go up to the 614 briefly, but I think more likely this. SPY's good for money. It's a money printer. SPY is good for printing money. Yeah, even though it's rigged though, we still call out every move. So as long as you're on the right side of the rigging, you'll make money. If you can get options enabled, you can make money on SPY, without a doubt. And anybody can get approved for options on Webull. So go to Webull, get options, and take $500. You can make money. You better be careful, though. And you better not do anything stupid like... Well, I could make money because I have experience, but some newbies will definitely get wrecked because they're going to be greedy and shit like that. But if you have $500, you could go to Webull, get approved for options, and make a bag off SPY. Easily. Some newbies would definitely get wrecked because they'll be too greedy. All you have to do is quick in and out. Boom, 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 boom. And have very specific rules. And you can definitely make a bag off SPY if you can read charts. And you have discipline. Because a lot of people with the trading, the big thing is discipline, bro. These motherfuckers don't have no discipline. Okay, so Amy is above 303. This is beautiful, but somehow GameStop's still trying to get max pain. They're still trying to get that max pain on GameStop, y'all. Why is SPY even pushing up, though, for real? Personal income and personal spending. You know this means that retail... This means that retail is hurting. This means that retail is hurting. Personal spending and personal income went down. So GDP literally got confirmed that it's coming out bad, that the economy's contracting, and now we have more evidence that the consumer's hurting. Bro, this is all exit liquidity, bro. This is exit liquidity. I'm telling you, they are gonna dump on people's heads, bro. This is an exit. This is an exit. GDP came out worse than expected. Worse than expected. And it's an exit scam, bro. Oh my God, Amy's a 304. Amy, she's coming back to life. Amy's coming back to life. If Amy closes 304, oh shit. Amy, I see you. I never forget about you, Amy. You're always in the back of my mind. I have more shares of AMC than GameStop. But that's because AMC is so easy to buy. It's only $3. Amy, I see you, 304ing. Amy's 304ing. Amy grew up to be a great 304. I'm so proud. I'm so proud of my 304 daughter. Do you guys know what a 304 is? GameStop also pushing up. What's happening here? Are we waking up? Are we waking up, perhaps? White dotted line OP, perhaps? White dotted line OP, perhaps? White dotted line OP, perhaps? My 304 daughter. Okay, so here's what's happening for all my headphone listeners. For all my headphone listeners out there, you're listening to Smooth DZ FM. Right now, GameStop sitting at 23.55, pushing up off of 23.50 support and resistance. This is bullish. GameStop made a massive falling wedge throughout today, which could mean upside next trading day, Monday. As of right now, GameStop is down 1.47% on the day. AMC sitting at 303. We want to see AMC at 304. We want it to become a beautiful 304. If Amy closes above 303, that is bullish. We need to close above this yellow line. SPY is sitting at 613.38. SPY has resistance at 613.35. If it breaks above that, we could push to 614.02. Bitcoin sitting at 106.9. When SPY can be shorted, if you're going to short SPY at all, though, it'd have to be very fast, quick movements. So you need a lot of capital. Why don't you just go long sometimes? Because with these kind of movements, you can make money with a little bit of money. Something like this. Something like this. Or holding a call from here to here. I said 614 in yesterday's video. So far, SPY is tracking. SPY is tracking. White dotted lines, OP. $140 in the building right now. $140 in the building. Smooth DZFM. $115 likes, thank you. 115 likes, thank you. Amy 306, what the fuck? Yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker. Yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker. Amy just hit 307. She's awakening. Amy awakens. Amy awakens. Amy awakens. Let's go. Amy United. Amy United. When you least expect it, baby, that's when Amy pops off every time. When you least expect it. All right, so that means GameStop's got to push. Come on, buddy. Right? GameStop. GameStop. You're going to let Amy outshine you, brother? Come on, what are you doing? Got a 307 out of Amy. Got a 307. Got a 307 out of AM Caesars. Nice little 307 pusher. Right now we're at 304 though. We're at a beautiful 3. Amy's developed into a beautiful 304. God is good. Big facts. Big facts. Right now, SPY 613.68. GameStop 23.53. GameStop's holding. GameStop looks like it could push up. White dotted lines might be OP. White dotted lines might be OP. GameStop looks like it could push up. Market makers trying to fight for that max pain. AMC looks like she's gonna do it though. Amy at 305. Amy looks like she's gonna close above max pain. Amy looks like it's gonna close above max pain. Green week. Green week. Green week, baby. Green week. Green week. Green week. Memes, green week. Memes, green week. Can she do it, guys? Can she do it? I'm going to show all my support for Amy. Amy, I love you so much. Amy, I never forgot about you. You're always the one I remember. Everyone else was forgettable. You were the only one I remember. Okay, GameStop also pushing up not to be outshined. GameStop also pushing up not to be outshined. I'm giving all my love to Amy right now. GameStop also might close above max pain. That means market makers defeated. Market makers defeated. GameStop's curling up right here. We might be able to hold this and push up in the close. What if Amy's rallying because of the Spider-Man movie? That'd be crazy. We're coming back for Amy. Yes, indeed. We come back for you. Spy resistance. And Spy's next resistance is going to be 614. Spy's next resistance is going to be 614. Amy's 305ing. Amy's 305ing. No way we close 304, right? No way we close 304. That'd be sweet. $145 in the building. $145 in the building. Yes. GameStop's pushing up as well. GameStop's pushing up as well. GameStop's pushing up as well. Spy resistance 614. Spy resistance 614. GameStop should be good. We have resistance at 2359. So we should be able to push up for that possibly here in the close here. Amy's pushing up. Amy's pushing up. 304. Trying to get to that 305. Closing above 303 would just be icing on the cake right now. Let's get that. We're going to beat market makers, guys. We are going to beat the market makers. We're going to beat them. Okay, 5 minutes remaining. Now it's down to the wire. Now it's down to the wire, y'all. Oh, Bitcoin just hit 107. Love to see it. Love to see it. I'm expecting some micro downside for BTC, though. Spy's pushing up here in the close. Spy's pushing up here in the close. GameStop is at 2356. So GameStop is pushing up here slightly. We want to see if GameStop just can hold this 2350. I don't know. Memes are waking up, man. The memes are making up. Okay, yeah. GameStop's definitely trying to move. GameStop's trying to move. This could be the making of something, guys. This could be the beginning of something great. Yo, Amy 305. Amy 305. Amy 305, y'all. Amy 306. GameStop pushing up too. GameStop pushing up. GameStop pushing for that 2359. That's our next resistance. GameStop pushing up for it as expected. We got Spy pushing up as well. No way Amy closes 305. No way Amy closes 305, right? Next week will be looking good if we close 305. Next week will be looking really good. GameStop has resistance at 2359, so We get to watch for that. Amy's going to have the resistance at 305. 305 is going to be Amy. Whoa, we're above 305. No way. No way, bro. What's happening? No way, bro. Ain't no way. GameStop's at 2362. 2361 right now. Yo, GameStop's pushing, bruh. GameStop's gonna break out of the falling wedge already. Before the end of the day, what the f is happening? GameStop is going for falling wedge breakout potentially. It'd have to break above 365. It's at 2360. It'd have to break above 2365. AMC's at 306. AMC's at 306, bro. How many minutes remaining? 1 minute remaining, guys. Drop the fucking rockets. Drop the rockets. Drop the rockets. Drop the rockets. Let's go. Let's go. Market makers tried. Market makers tried. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I figured we could close above the max pains. We talked about that in yesterday's video. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Amy. Guys, Rockets have done it. DZ fam has done it. Amy has done it. 308. 308 close. I'm going to refresh it just to be sure here. No way, yeah. Oh my God, they're shorting so much. 308. Amy at 308. GameStop 2359. GameStop 2359. We said this in yesterday's video that I said we will most likely close above the max pain levels. We'll actually be able to beat their max pain prices. 2349. We beat the market makers, guys. Now, I think making that max pain price close as possible without putting those $3 calls in the money. And on GameStop, since the GameStop max pain is 2350, they're going to try to get us towards 2349, 2348. Now, I think both AMC and GME will actually be able to beat their max pain prices tomorrow based off of the technicals I'm looking here. GME was actually able... DataZero was right again, as we did defeat the market makers, ladies and gentlemen. What a beautiful Friday. We defeated the market makers. I know some of you guys don't understand how significant that is, but that is truly significant that we were able to beat the market makers' expectations, beat their price targets, and not only beat them, but close well above them. This is very, very, very bullish for heading into next week. I know some people don't understand that, but ladies and gentlemen, this is a victory in a long battle, ladies and gentlemen. So this is looking good. Very good for the meme stocks. Very good for the meme stocks. What a beautiful Friday. Rockets came in last minute and saved AMC and GME. Vindicated indeed, brother. Vindicated indeed. Wait, next week's a short week? What do you mean? July 4th? Is July 4th next week? Wow. Meme stocks junkie, no way. Bro, thank you. Level 2 is insane. Welcome to DZ fam royalty, bro. Thank you so much, dude. Thank you so much. See, this guy's an idiot. You're an idiot, bro, because if you would have listened, I said we're going to close above max pain based off my analysis. This guy said, DZ, you dumb. GME closing under 2370 is bear. Doesn't even spell not right. Just max pain is BS. Okay, yep. Whatever, bro. It's funny calling me dumb, but making yourself look stupid in the comment that you post. Like, you can't even make this stuff up. July 4th, yeah. That's next week, though? Yeah, we go into that. We go into July 4th. Monday is the 30th. One more day of earning. Oh my God. Meme stock junkie. I truly appreciate it, bro. First of all, the level 2 is insane. That helps out a lot, bro, man. I appreciate you. Carbon just got gifted. Yo, listen, if you just got gifted, please thank him. What? Supplication of a narcissist? Rochelle, Madison, Richard, you just got Richard Jackson. He be doing crazy gifted. You just got gifted, brother. Yo, thank you, bro. Next week we start the squeeze. Bro, if only. If the squeeze happens, oh my God, man. Bro, I want the squeeze more than anybody. So, listen, you guys don't even understand. I'm going to just be straight up with you guys. I'll get paid 2 ways. I'll get paid off my shares, and I'll get paid off of views if the squeeze happens. And if I call the squeeze or call a rally before the squeeze, I'll get even more. So, if you guys think you want the squeeze, I want the squeeze. That was set. And my channel will explode. But we're getting back to 2020, 2021 short interest levels. Like, what? Like, if this continues, it could get back to that point where, I mean, if we see 20, 25% short interest and shorts get squeezed, that's huge. Off exchange short volume, 50%. I mean, this is big numbers, guys. 7.76 days to cover. Shorts are in a dangerous position right now. If GameStop starts to go back up, we could see something. Oh, man. I don't want to speculate too much, though, man, because I just want to wait patiently. And if I see signs that something could happen, I'll let you guys know. Until then, I'm just going to keep reporting the news. SPY closed at 614.69, pulling back here in the after hours. GameStop closing at 23.59, slightly up here in after hours. AMC slight down in after hours after closing at 308. July 3rd. Oh, shoot, we got an unemployment. Of course, unemployment remains the same. Unemployment remaining at 4.2 is BS, bro. There's no fucking way it's just staying at 4.2. There's no way. AMC days that covers are 13. That's crazy. Holy that's because there's no liquidity. That's because there's no liquidity. That's why. Liquidity is drying up in the background. That's also why they need SPY to pump. Nothing. Amy's just chilling. Amy's just following the white dotted line. That she's doing what she's supposed to do. It's the falling wedge breakout. I'm telling you guys. What did I say, bro? Rounded bottom. I said this in yesterday's video. Rounded bottom to rally. Same thing's happening here. Rounded bottom to rally. We're going to rally all the way back up to $4. It's the same thing that happened here. We broke out of this falling wedge. We made a rounded bottom and then we rallied hard. The same thing's happening again. We have a falling wedge. We're making a rounded bottom. We're about to rally hard. GameStop is about to break into its gap fill and rally hard. And both meme stocks are going to push up. And shorts are going to be screwed. And if GameStop goes back to $30 and AMC goes back to like $5, then we're getting towards those levels where they start getting underwater. And oh my God. And just remember, they are shorting 20% down here at $23. So if GameStop goes back to $30, all of the shorting that they're doing at these low levels, all of that's going to be red. I would not want to be short right now. I would not want to be short right now, bro, because GameStop's looking like it's going back for 30, and AMC looks like it's going back for 4. Thanks, Meme Stock Junkie. Thank you guys for everything, man. I appreciate you guys, man. This is happy Friday. Make sure you guys have a good, relaxing weekend. Tune in for the weekly outlook and prediction on Sunday. We just reached a 3-hour live stream, so I'm going to go ahead and cap it off. I appreciate each and every one of you, man. You already know what it is. DZ fam in the building. About to make $1 million. About to make a killing. About to make a bajillion. Amy look nice though, right? Amy looking nice. Alright, y'all. You already know what it is, man. DZ fam. It's your boy DataZero. Yo. What are we doing? You guys are crazy. Thank you. Member for 22 months is insane. Thank you so much, Sunny GD, for the freaking 22 months of support. And thank you, Danny, for the freaking 2-piece, cuz. You guys are insane right now. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. I don't see a cup and handle. I just see a rounded bottom. With the falling wedge. Everything that I see here is what's on the charts. Not even this would be a cup and handle. This thing is too. Now, if we come back up for $4, I'm telling you, bro, we're gonna make a big move. If we go back to $4 and hold $4, you're gonna see Amy pop to like 5 or 6. We're setting up slowly. That was a beautiful close. Beautiful close on a Friday. Green day on a Friday. You're welcome, Scotty. And we called it in yesterday's video. I said, based off my analysis, 348. Now, I think both AMC and GME will actually be able to beat their max pain prices tomorrow based off of the technicals I'm looking here. GME was based off of the technicals I saw, we would break above and hold, and surely we did. I'm glad I was right. Tune in for the weekly outlook and prediction. Also, SPY obviously did not have a red week. Green week, SPY. But we got a 2 out of 3. And predicting weekly candles is pretty hard. If anyone else is doing that, they got that from me. So if you see any other creator doing that, they got this shit from me. Anyways, GameStop, green week. And AMC, green week as predicted, ladies and gentlemen. AMC up 2.33% for the week. GameStop just barely etching out that green week at 0.55%, but still getting a green week nonetheless after a 6% basically green week last week. So we got another green week for GameStop. Tune in for your weekly candle print next week. Or tune in Sunday, I'm sorry. And thank you, Sunny GG, for the 22 months, which is insane. Almost 2 years support. And thank you, Danny, for the 2-piece. As always, y'all, you know the deal, man. Have fun. Stay safe. Make money. Peace out, family. And we just hit a 3-hour live stream. See you, Kai Supreme, Roaring Scotty. Peace. Carbon. Hit that like and subscribe on the way out. 127 likes. Super chats and 12 brand new members. What? Let's go. Yeah, we should have, bro. We should have got that gamma ramp on the 20th, bro. They fought hard to make sure we didn't. They had so many short shares. There's someone on our side, though, man. There's someone on our side because there's a lot of money. There's a lot of money being thrown at calls, trying to give us gamma ramps and stuff like that. So there's someone out there, and there's a lot of hedge funds buying. Like, even this week was crazy. Do rockets work after hours? Sometimes. Depends if you believe hard enough. Alright, so now we're officially a 3-hour live stream. I'm going to go ahead and cut it down. If Amy pops off, I'll make a short video. But next week is looking good. Tune in for the weekly outlook and prediction on Sunday. And I'll break it all down for you guys. What we're looking at, what levels we need to break, what we need to see if we're bullish, bearish. It'll give you guys the weekly candle print, all that good stuff. Have a great weekend, everybody. And I will see you all on the flip side. You're welcome. Thank you for staying around. I appreciate it. You're welcome. You're welcome, 9080. For the fam, baby. For the fam. I'm just happy we closed above max pain. 348. Now, I think both AMC and GME will actually be able to beat their max pain prices tomorrow based off of the technicals I'm looking here. GME was actually able to... And both GameStop and AMC beat max pain. You too, brother. Probably just gonna chill this weekend. Meme Stock Junkie, thank you for the level 2 and the 5 gifted, bro. That means a lot, bro. I really appreciate it. Level 2 is insane, thank you. Level 2 and 3 are insane, thank you. Anybody on level 2 or 3, man, I truly appreciate you. Anyone on any level, I appreciate you. But 2 and 3 is just like extra beyond and beyond above. Yeah, we're just crossing over into 1,000 views too, so that's perfect. I'll see y'all later. As soon as this song ends, I'm gonna shut it down. All right, bro. Thank you for the ISA. I have to at least thank you. I had to at least thank you. I cannot say thank you for a super chat. Bro, thank you for the last minute 5-piece. Bro, thank you, cuz. I really appreciate that. I really appreciate that. Thank you. It's going towards just know that the super chats are going to a good cause. Fumbled the bag. Oh no. What did you do? It's okay. It happens, man. It happens, bro. Thank you for the last minute 5-piece. Truly appreciate that. Thank you. Y'all are crazy today. Y'all went ham today, man. 12 brand new members. All right, I gotta get out of here. You guys are awesome, man. Thank you so much, everyone. Peace. It's your birthday? Why didn't you say something? Happy birthday, bro. Happy birthday. Why didn't you say something, dog? You should have said something. Tune in Sunday and we'll give you a happy birthday shout out. Tune in Sunday. Peace, brother. Peace. Look, you getting some happy birthday already, bro. And tune in Sunday. We definitely got you, too.